At a time when defense forces are looking at creating a rocket force, India's new long-range anti-ship ballistic missile, which would be able to hit moving warships or aircraft carriers at a distance of over 1000 to 1500 kilometers. This anti-ship ballistic missile is capable of being launched from both warship and shore-based locations. This missile system is being developed for the Indian Navy and would give it the capability to take out enemy vessels from a long range. The Defence Research and Development Organization of India for a while has been working on these long-range anti-ship missiles, or the LRASMs, and is poised to revolutionize India's naval capabilities. The LRASMs are a game-changing quasi-ballistic trajectory anti-ship missiles. The quasi-ballistic trajectory anti-ship missiles, the missile boasts an impressive range of 1500 kilometers, making it a formidable force in combating maritime threats in both littoral and open sea regions. The strategic significance of LRASMs lies in its ability to strike target with unprecedented precision at an extended range, providing Indian naval forces with a substantial advantage over potential adversaries. The missile's quasi-ballistic trajectory enables it to soar to high altitudes akin to a ballistic missile before homing in onto its targets at high speeds. This unique flight profile allows LRASMs to evade enemy defenses and strike with remarkable accuracy, making it a potent asset in India's naval arsenal. These LRASMs are designed to fulfill multiple roles, primarily serving as part of coastal defense batteries. The coastal regions are of critical importance to national security, and safeguarding these areas from potential maritime threat is a paramount concern. These missiles' long-range capability ensures that India's coastal boundaries are well protected, thwarting any hostile naval incursions and safeguarding vital installations and economic interests. Furthermore, the versatility of LRASMs extends beyond coastal defense, as they will be installed on frontline warships of the Indian Navy. Equipping naval vessels with these advanced missile systems will enhance their offensive capabilities, enable them to engage hostile ships and targets at an unprecedented distance. With the LRASM on board, the Indian warships will have a significant reach advantage, thus enabling them to neutralize threat even before they come within the striking distance. The successful realization of this project marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards becoming a dominant force in the maritime domain.
Let's compare the trajectory of India's long-range anti-ship ballistic missile to that of other types of ballistic missiles. This is the video wall that has got different trajectories, as you can see. So I'll explain to you that what are these trajectories and how will India's anti-ship ballistic missile look like once it has been launched. So if you look at the bigger parabola, a half inverted egg-shaped trajectory is that of a normal ballistic missile. So it takes this parabola and hits the target. When it comes to a cruise missile, which is shown at the lowest level of this graphic, it is largely flattish to the surface of the earth, and the anti-ship ballistic missile, as you can see, after it launches the hyperglide vehicle, it can steer its course according to the target and move and adjust itself for pinpoint precision strike. So this is how a hypersonic glide vehicle path look like and hit the target. One point to note is that all these ballistic missiles are vertically launched. Now this is the graphic representation of an anti-ship ballistic missile which has released the hypersonic glide vehicle, and this is how it would look like once it is launched.